Hey all, Teresa Ann here, coming to you from Mission Control with some unboxing that I'm going to do to show you some merch that's going to actually be, these gifts are going to be coaching structures. I'm not going to explain completely how we're going to use them as structures, but I want to give a little sneak peek so that those of you who are signing up by midnight tonight get to see your goodies. So the first one, oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay, so this is pretty fun. So this is for those who sign up by midnight from the Rocket Launch Your Coaching Practice, RLCP. Coaching, it's going to be a group coaching experience. And so those of you who sign up by midnight get these. Those of you on that flight crew, see what they say, RLCP flight crew, you'll be getting those. Also, oh goodness, I get to have two, I guess, since I'm the commander. Ooh, these are adjustable, so I'll need to adjust that little head. Anyway, so we've got that going on. Woo. So those of you who sign up by midnight, you can do that on the website. You can go to teresaann.com, look for the group coaching tab, scroll down. If you have forgotten the mission, you'll see the mission there. The cart should be opening around 5 o'clock Central Time. So you and you and you and you who already gave me the verbal and you said you'd be going to the cart, you'll be getting these goodies, and then that other one of you that said you might be, and then let's see, we have a discovery call in 15 minutes for one of you on the East Coast calling in to see if you might want to be getting involved as well. You can go to group coaching tab on the website, teresaann.com, scroll down, you'll see the mission, the cart will be opening around 5 o'clock, and then if you scroll down further, you'll start to see the modules dropping. So those of you who have already talked with me, you know quite a bit about what's going to be happening as far as our content, but you'll start to see throughout the weekend, I'll be dropping the modules there, so you'll start to see the description. For 2 weeks, the cart or the registration will remain open. It'll close around the 16th or the 17th at midnight, and then on October 20th, a Sunday, during that time where we also meet for Open Coaching Studio over at Brick House Studio in Verona, those of us who are going to be on board and be part of the RLCP flight crew, we will be doing our pre-launch flight school where you're going to be getting a third gift. It didn't come in the mail yet. He didn't say there were three, but there are three, but it just didn't get here in time. You're going to be receiving as a bonus my high altitude cheat sheet, and you'll be able to use that while we're having our experience through, I believe, our 12 modules it might be. I'll need to double check the number so that you can maintain that high altitude that you need to, that mindset during this really intense, exciting and fun experience.